Guys, andito na naman kami kay Auntie, guys. Kasi may ano kami ni Auntie, diba? May plano kami. Yan na siya, oh. Yan na si Auntie.
All inside.
Today is lazy day daw, sabi ni Auntie. Kami din, us also. Yeah, see? Pretty Auntie again. Today she said, today I don't have home service.
No.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow also not have.
No,
because finish.
Yeah.
Some now
Finish.
running das way also.
Yeah.
Today also have tika. Tomorrow also have tika.
When is the last day for Tika, Auntie?
Tomorrow.
Nice color, Auntie. Where did you buy?
There reload.
Here, Auntie. Yeah.
But this one,
Is-
this one only.
Hindi niya dito natupi. Basta lang nilagay niya. So, ayan guys. Alam nyo ba, isa yan sa pinakagusto ko dito sa bahay nila ni Auntie ay ang view. Dito guys, lalo pag gabi guys. Ay, napaka-relax talaga ba guys. Upo ka dito. Makikita nyo ang ganda ng view talaga. Sobrang ganda ng mga view dito. Lalo pag gabi guys, ang ganda, sobrang relax. Lalo yung mga nandoon pag gabi, ay grabe guys ang ilaw. So kaya sabi ko nung isang gabi kay Auntie, Auntie, alam mo ba pag nakatayo ako dito sa inyo, sa terrace nyo, kasi daan dyan, di ba? Ang ganda talaga ba guys, nakaka-relax talaga. Kaya sabi ko nga, pag gusto kong ma-relax, minsan, umakyat ako sa rooftop namin. Pero itong view nila natin, sobrang ganda talaga guys. Sobrang ganda talaga. Nakaka-relax talaga siya. Sabi niya, I have my friend. She will come in our house. At sabi niya, gusto niya lang umupo dito at nakatingin siya dyan. Dyan banda highway na yan dyan. Yan. Ito yung plano namin na pupunta kami ng nursery. Alam nyo ba before, naikwento ko na ito sa vlog ko, diba? I think so, pero matagal na. Noong si Ama guys, nandito siya. Tapos, parang baguhan pa lang ako dito. Yung mga ano pa lang, mga first week pa lang namin. Si Ama kasi, pag mga ganitong oras, hindi mo yan makikita sa bahay. Kasi si Ama, palagala siya guys. Pumunta siya sa mga bahay nila ni Auntie. O di kaya magulat ka na lang, uuwi siya, kasama niya na yan si Auntie. Tapos kung sino pa sila ni Shanta Auntie, yung mga ibang relatives namin. Kasi magkakalapit lang naman kami, diba? So, ganun yung ginagawa ni Ama. So, ngayon, nakaka-relate ako kay Ama guys. Kasi before, ayayain ako ni Ama. Mila, let's go nursery. Alam niyo ba yung pagkasabi niya sa akin na let's go nursery? Ako ay nagtataka. Sabi ko, ala, anong gagawin namin sa nursery? Kasi guys, sa UAE, pag sinabi mong nursery, means yung kung saan iiwan mo yung anak mo doon. Familiar ako kasi nagawa nga ni Yuan. Pero si Yuan, never namin iniiwanan sa nursery guys. Kumbaga, sinacrifice talaga namin. So ngayon ganito, pag naaya ako ni Ama, napunta kami sa nursery, nagtataka ako. Sabi ko, anong gagawin namin sa nursery? Ang dami sigurong babies doon. So ngayon, nung inaya ako ni Ama, pumunta na kami ng nursery, nagulat ako, puro pala halaman. So sabi ko, ala, ito pala yung nursery na tinatawag. Parang naiya ako sa sarili ko guys. Kaya parang kanina sabi ko sa kapatid ko, sa GC namin, ay, mamaya punta kami ni Auntie sa nursery. Sabi niya, ay ano yun? Maraming babies. Iba palang babies, guys. So, yan ang mga babies na tinatawag. So, ngayon, simula noon, pag tuwing sasabihan ako ni Ama na, Mila, let's go to nursery. Ay, excited na ako kasi mga halaman. So, ngayon, pupunta tayo sa nursery, guys. Ito ay ibang nursery ito. Matagal ko na ito gustong puntahan. Kaya yan si Auntie, nagkataon din na may nahanap siya, yung stand ng bulaklak. So, ganun din. At dadali namin yung scooter niya. So, ayun. At si Yuan, syempre sabi ko, Yuan, sasama ka ba sa akin? Sabi niya, of course, Mama. Hindi naman possible na hindi ako sasama kasi nga mga tiyuhin niya, kalaro niya. So, hayaan na natin. At bukas na yung last day ng tika nila. After nyan, after 2 days, may pasok na sila ulit. And after naman ng 20 days, ano naman guys, Tihar. Festival of Lights or Lights of Festival. Ayun. So, ngayon, medyo maaraw. Banda sa area namin naman ay malamig. Dito sa kanila natin dahil dito nakaharap sa atin yung araw. At medyo, at least kahit paano hindi malamig kasi doon sa lugar namin, sa bahay namin, malamig na hindi mo maintindihan na maaraw. Actually, si Auntie, green thumb din ito guys eh. Oh, ang mga halaman niya. Green thumb yan si Auntie. Yung mga halaman niya. Lusog, naiinggit ako. Kaya, sabi ko nga, ililipat ko na yung iba kasi kaso lang guys, pa winter na mahirap mag-alaga ngayon ulit ng mga halaman. Oh, ang dami niyang ginawang pickle dito, oh. Si Auntie lang to gumagawa, guys. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi ako pala kain ng pickle nila na ganito. Mangga to, guys. Mango pickle. Mahilig din kasi sila ni auntie sa maanghang, no? Ito, oh, ano to? Chili. Yan, chili at saka lemon ata ito. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, lemon yan. Tanungin natin si auntie. Hala, nabasa yung aking kamay. Ito, mangga ito. Natikman ko na, grabe ka asin yan. Ito, mangga din ito, oh. Ito, bawang. Bawang ba to? Ano kaya ito? No, anak lang to na ng anak, oh. Auntie, have baby again, oh. Nice. Yeah. So, ayun guys, alis na tayo guys. Ayan, maganda na ulit ang aking auntie. Pretty auntie.
You see, hello.
Yan.
You
What?
see this inside this boy.
What is that?
This and this sister. When you see picture, so inside.
Which sister, the one who died?
This is lost.
Ah, this is the son.
Small one.
Guys, nakita. Ay, hindi niyo pala nakita. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo sandali. Sandali, papakita ko sa inyo. Yan sila. Yan sila. Yeah, already. We did namaste. Okay, we will go. Come back. Yeah. Bye-bye. So, ayun guys. Mamaya ko nasabihin sa inyo. Na kami ni auntie. Auntie, you really have green thumb, auntie. All your plants, ramro. Yeah? If you take care of this, you'll be more rich. This is nice. This is 5 fingers, diba guys? 5 fingers.
Mommy and Sam auntie go one time where, okay? They bring for me. Mommy
Small
bring
only?
this one, only this one like this.
Then you plant.
Yeah.
Maliit lang daw ito. Because auntie, we have in the house but small only.
And then have this one I broke. I want to make like that. I don't want to go up this one, okay? I want to
But
make
this is nice. After you can make again. Sabi niya, hindi niya daw gusto na
and then this
umakit.
one you see I broke.
Oh.
Because I want to make like that only, and then this one come. Not coming from here.
Yeah.
This one going see that. Have another one same cast.
Same cast. Pag nalaman niya may cast na guys.
Same category.
The same category.
Have, but this one is small one. This one not going up.
I have auntie but there is color, not like
Yeah.
exactly plain.
Yeah, this one nice more than this one. This one not going up. This is for you will have there.
Yeah. So
This
ayun.
one going see the way.
But it's nice. Mabuti ito si auntie guys. So kasi mahilig din siya sa plant sila ni ama. So tara guys, sakay tayo sa motor ni auntie.
And then this one, this is not.
Wait, auntie, this is the one? Ay, yeah, this is the one. Sandito na kami guys ni auntie. Very big, yeah? Yeah. So dito na tayo. Malapit lang to sa kanila ni auntie guys. Ito yung nursery, oh. Malaki ito, very big auntie. Guys, ano na kami ni auntie, mag-check lang kami dito. Titingnan muna namin. Kasi hindi man namin alam pa. Sabi ko, auntie, mag-window shopping muna tayo. Hindi pa ako nag-gets ni auntie. Akala niya bibili tayo. Auntie, they have very nice rubber plant also. Oh my God, they have too much. Marami sila guys. Tara. Ang dami nila, oh. Wow. Wala. Auntie, oh, from the beginning, we will check, auntie. Ang dami nila, guys. Very nice.
This
Oh?
money plant.
Photos, this one. We have different kinds. Oh, yan, Hala, ang dami nila,
This one
auntie.
also different, you see?
Yeah, iba-iba sila, guys, nito, oh. Mas marami sila. Ito kasi, we pass by here, so that is why.
This one also.
Auntie, this one.
You see?
Huh?
This one also is snake plant.
Yeah, I have that one. I have that one. This one, I think, ano kaya ito? This one is nice also, auntie, I think.
This one also, you see this one. You see before which one is snake plant lucky? This one also. This one also.
Yeah. I have the other one. I look.
You have?
Yeah, I have.
This one plant. You have.
But it's still small, I have.
My eyes inside have a small mosquito same like.
Where? Look up. No, nothing. Maybe dust.
They here.
Maybe,
This side.
Look down.
This side. Yeah.
Look this side. Look this side. So, succulents. Yeah. They have succulents, auntie. Different. Ayan guys, oh, this is nice, auntie. But expensive maybe, no? Guys, ito yung mga succulents nila. Oh,
So hot.
yeah. This is also, no? Let's check na lang muna. Check na lang muna kami ito. Oo. Tapos, ay, this one, auntie. Ito yung nahanap ko. Auntie, this one. This is the millionaire snake plant. Guys, ito yung nahanap ko, guys. Oh, andito
There
siya.
are
Oh.
also types of
Yeah, it will be more also, yeah. It will be more also. And auntie, this is nice also, auntie, oh. Oh, guys, ang dami nilang tanim dito, oh. Hala. But, magkano kaya? Period. Sandali muna, guys, ang dami nila. Oh, they have too much jade plant, auntie. Ito jade plant, oh. But then, that is the one. Teka lang, guys, tingin tayo dito. Ayan, meron sila, oh. Snake plant. Very nice, auntie. This. Where are the others? Ah, marami sila. Oh, what is this, auntie, oh?
This one seem like you're down
Ah,
a
the big one, the big
this
one, oh. And this so nice, auntie.
This one also so
Ganda,
good.
oh. Ano kayang halaman to, guys? Hala. Auntie, bonsai maybe this one.
What name?
Bonsai. Bonsai to, guys. How much kaya yan? Ito. Palm. This one palm. This is one also nice. And this one.
How many? Many types of this one.
How many? But we don't have money. How many?
We can buy, but we
cannot carry, yeah.
Manage this one in house.
Yeah. Especially now when winter coming. We need only indoor this time. Auntie, rubber plant. I think this one. Guys, rubber plant to, guys. Dami, oh.
Your place too much rubber plant.
Rubber plant? No, may rubber plant. One leaves only and died. Oh my God, ang rubber plant ko. Oh, peace lily, oh. Peace lily, this one, auntie, yeah? You have that one, very beautiful. Guys. Ito tayo. Ito, hindi ko nakita. Ala. Ang ganda-ganda, guys. Dami nila marigold, oh. Marigold. Auntie! Here also. Magtanong tayo, magkano ito? Ito. Ito, guys. Marigold will go there. Marami sila maganda mong bibilya, oh.
From there.
Yeah. Dito muna kami, guys. Oh, yan, oh. Ano kaya nga naman? Ito, ang ganda, guys, oh.
This one also rubber.
Yeah, no, rubber plant, maybe, no? Daming marigold. Nakakalula man. Itong ganda, guys. Oh, kaso nasayang yung dahon niya. This one is beautiful, auntie. But the leaves,
Yeah.
parang na, ang ganda ng kulay niya, guys. Oh. Very nice the color. Mommy likes too much this one, auntie. That's why in Pokhara when we go, she get that one from the owner. She asked. Guys, ang daming palmera.
This one my snap.
Yeah. I will hide only you because you are very beautiful. Yeah. This one is nice, auntie. Ay, ang ganda. Ano kaya? Auntie, this is very beautiful also, auntie, inside the house. Yeah? But it's hard to manage, auntie. Tara, dito tayo. Ito bonsai, oh. Auntie, bonsai. Bonsai to, guys.
This one you place her.
Lemon, daming lemon. I don't have. See, lemon, auntie, yeah? Kagate? Auntie, look, marigold, very beautiful. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh. This one, where we come now, where we are here now, auntie, is very nice than near in our house. Near in our house is like she's selling already tarkari there. No flowers she have, but not too much. Tingnan nyo, guys, ang dami, oh. They have also doon sa likod. Hello, grabe, ang dami nila. Tingin lang kami ni auntie kasi kung marami nga silang ano dito, choices, di bibili tayo dito. Babalik tayo next. This one is small, is small. We'll go this side.
This one is cute.
Ganda, oh. Auntie. Ba, guava. Auntie, guava. Ay, maganda to, guys. Oh. No, auntie, no?
Yeah, this one to be telling your place what.
I have this pine tree. Pine tree, this one.
You see this one, you know, Godavari?
Eh.
Very nice, this one.
The flower. Tingnan nyo guys, ang daming marigold. Yan oh, ang dami. Oh, mulaklak sila oh. I know this one. I know this flower, auntie. Very beautiful. Oh, auntie. Look, auntie. We can pass maybe. Here. Hindi namin alam kung saan na kami pupunta ni auntie. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Diba guys? Guys, ang dami. Yan, pang thumbnail natin. Ito pa, isa pa, pang thumbnail. Yan. O, diba? Pang thumbnail. Grabe. Oh my goodness. Grabe, ang dami nga, ang ganda. Si auntie. Ang ganda-ganda ng kanilang nursery. Next time babalik. Guys, ano ba mga bulaklak ito, guys? Ganito ba talaga ito? Auntie, it is like this the flower? Hindi kilala ni auntie. Ganito ba talaga mga bulaklak na ganito, guys? Yan oh. Wow, sobrang ganda, guys. Grabe. Yeah. Another type, but it's very...
Another one, this one, how many types I have?
Ay, oh guys, ang dami nila, iba-iba. Wow! Tingnan nyo guys. Ganito talaga yung style ng bulaklak niya, oh. Ganyan lang pala siya, parang watak-watak ang kanyang dahon. Mag-selfie ulit tayo.
Bakit selfie?
No, for my video, for my thumbnail. Guys, ang ganda. I feel like we are not in Nepal. I feel like we are in Switzerland. Tawa ko talaga. Oh, ang ganda guys, oh.
You can feel, no problem.
Sabi niya, auntie, you can feel, no problem. O, diba? Guys, ang ganda ng kulay. Na in love na naman ako sa kulay na ito ba? Parang lumalaki pala siya. Si auntie, tingnan niyo. May TikTok na si auntie. Diba? Ikot pa tayo guys. Kakaibang bulaklak ito. Oh, ito din, auntie. Very beautiful also. Ano guys? You know what is the name of this or no?
No, I don't know about flower.
We are only taking video and picture here but not buying.
No.
Tawa ka, auntie. Sabi ko, kuha lang tayo picture dito at video. Hindi tayo bumibili. Oh, guys, oh. Oh, sa may mga alam dyan, ano ito? Anong mga klaseng bulaklak ito? Diba? Ganda tingnan, no? Pag mga ganito, guys, makikita nyo, ang ganda-ganda. Parang hindi kayo mag-iisip na may mga ahas. Makakalimutan nyo may ahas ba? So, dito na tayo kasi nakapunta na tayo doon. Yan. Ganda. Wow. Ang kagandahan dito guys is parang sinegregate. They segregate, this is for this is for that. Sinegregate nila ba guys na ito yung mga bulaklakin, doon yung mga puro dahon lang. Ay auntie, they have also from the other side. Bonggabilya naman doon sa kabila.
Yeah.
Ganda pa rin. Guys, ang ganda naman sa kabila. Kabila na naman tayo, di ba? Ganda, di ba? Ayan. This what, auntie? Which one is this?
This one also. I don't know name.
Ano kaya ito? Puro dahon naman ito. Dami nilang pine tree, oh. Ay, bigaon mo. Ah, they have also auntie like this. What is the name of this? Ano ang pangalan nito, guys? Yan. Ito, rose. I think this one auntie, yeah, rose.
Yeah, rose.
Ah, mga rose naman dito, guys. Punta tayo sa kabila. Ito, oh. Ang laki. Ay, they have very big lemon, auntie. Maybe they have calamansi atin, auntie, no? Yeah. You'll ask kalamunding if they have. Hala, may kalamunding. Auntie, they have kalamunding. Hala, sandali, guys. If they have kalamunding, maybe I will buy, auntie.
What name?
Kalamunding in us. That one is small.
This one Muntala telling here.
Muntala? Guys, magtatanong ako dito. If they have kalamunding, pasok ako dito. Sandali. Ay, kalamunding ba ito, guys?
Yeah, this one Muntala.
It will not big.
No.
But this one is different.
This one different. This one only small. This one big.
Ah, this one.
And then canning.
Yeah, this one in our country we call calamansi ate. Ante. Maybe I will buy. But I will ask first how much. Bibili ako, guys. Because this is what I'm looking. Oh, may kalamunding sila, guys. Oh.
Now this Hasana Didi have house too much small.
Ante, this is very healthy. We can make juice also in this.
Only I take lang side also.
Yeah. Guys, may kalamunding sila, oh. Bibili ako. We will ask Auntie la.
Okay.
Yeah. Labas tayo. Magpunta tayo dun sa mga bonggabilya. Bonggabilya, Auntie will go there.
Come here.
Atis yun, ang dami. Okay.
Here only this one.
Ah, they are doing, what you call this one, Auntie? Planting? What? Guys, ano bang tawag dun? Ginagawa nila sa loob, oh. Parang binubuhay nila yung mga seeds. Nakalimutan ko. Wow!
This one Begum Belly. This one.
Eh, yeah, bonggabilya. Ay, ang dami nilang bonggabilya, guys. Iba-iba. I really like this plant, Auntie. I like also the beige color I saw in one house.
Peach.
Yeah, peach, yeah.
This.
They have there.
Yeah.
Oh, see? Ay, what is that? Bonggabilya also?
The white.
Yeah. Hmm?
Uncle make plant. They
You have also.
White and yellow also we have.
Hmm.
This one not the big one. This one only this gamala. This one
It's
big
getting
one
big.
going this gate.
This is good if you put in the rooftop also.
Yeah.
Because this one, they like more on sun, in the sun.
They like no problem. Anything for them.
You have there, no? It's very nice also.
One not have only this
Ganda ng kulay. Ay, they have rose also, Auntie. Oh, ang cute ng mga rose nila, oh. Wala, ang ganda, Auntie. This one also. Oh. But I don't know what is the name of that
This one
flower.
they are telling laure full.
Laure.
This one
Poinsettia, this one, the red. Yeah, poinsettia, this one, guys. We have this one in our house. Daddy, he plant.
Yeah.
But like that type, Auntie.
Yeah, and this one very nice also.
Winter coming now is usually in us in Christmas season we used to decorate like this style. Oh, diba? Bibili ako ng kalamansi. Where is the ano here? Magtatanong tayo, guys, magkano yung kalamansi? We will check first. Guys, ang mahal naman 800. Kasi may mga bunga-bunga. Maybe I will see the small one. Maybe he can check. 800 daw, guys. May mga bunga na ito. Kung maliit pa ang kukuhanin ko, maybe the small one, if I get, it will take time, Auntie. It will take time for me.
This one is this new one.
Oh.
Also no problem. Maybe 6 months, 8 months you can see like that.
This one? Where is it? Which one I will choose, Auntie? I want to buy one.
You want to take?
Napagkamalan pa ako dito na nagbibenta. Kala niya
You
nagbibenta.
saw same price yung talaga te.
Subway ba yun? Pare-pareho daw. Then better I get the big one.
Aje? All मिल रहा है ना?
Discount China buy. We cannot do anything. Auntie, help me choose which one, Auntie. Kukuhanin namin yung malaki na lang, guys. Kasi if we get the small one, Auntie, then maybe how many years? 50-50 also. Maybe this one, but we have to choose the one I will try later in the house, no? May kalamansi, kuhanan. Agad ba? Yan si auntie kasi magaling yan si auntie.
This one you can eat.
That one. Ito daw.
Because this one near to.
But the leaves is like...
See.
Oh, this one maybe auntie, yeah?
This one look like that. Yes.
What is that one, ano?
I have ready to put their gamala also.
The pot?
Pot
I have already there the... No, you don't want to check they have pots inside. Maybe that is not the one you like. Expensive. Yeah, so we'll not check. So which one, auntie? Maybe this one is better.
This one,
yeah. So this one, auntie, I'll take. Yeah, this is millionaire's plant.
From here.
Guys, ito na guys na hanap namin, oh.
They cannot give only this one.
Yeah.
Broken.
Because this one is growing fast also.
This one give broken. Then
Yeah. But the price, how much?
look, give
Sabi ng auntie, Frey, ito naman yung mga succulents niya. I think this one little bit expensive.
maybe 200, 300.
No. This is succulents. Maybe this one, you ask like this.
Bye, ina san no sa erno ta.
Succulents. Ayaw niya maniwala sa akin. Sabi ko, mahal yan.
Bye.
This one, auntie. This one, mahal to. Kote?
250.
And you?
This one have house.
You have.
You have also.
Different this design. These are different. But I will not buy. I will only because in the now no budget. Yeah, this one is nice.
Me, if I buy also not have inside house megamala and gamala stand.
I don't know. Ano sasabi? This one, Deepak favorite plant, bonsai, but it's hard to maintain bonsai.
You see this one? Wow.
Auntie, look, auntie. Allah, magkano kaya ito, guys? Look, auntie, very beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, different color. Magkano kaya ito? Maybe this is 1,000, auntie.
Where?
This one.
Where?
The price.
Yeah.
The price. Because of the color. Different price maybe. Oh. Asan yung dahon nito? The leaves. It's already connected to each other. Masira pa namin ni auntie. So that one will ask discount, auntie. Tusok pa ako, guys. Auntie, this nice also.
This one rooftop cannot put.
Yeah. I have to buy.
This one for only inside.
You will buy, auntie?
I need to go.
I have that one also already in the house. No other color? Brown? This is like bucket color. Brown China. What you call this one?
This.
I forgot. Coco pit. Tatanong tayo
You
dito.
got kg go? But this one too much. 600. Have to put all gamala. 100 rupees this one.
And maybe 2 I will buy. I have also other plant. So I will buy 2 of this. Wow. So ito yung nabili natin, guys. Nakalamansi. Ayan. At least nakabili tayo. May tanglad na ako doon. Nandito ako ka auntie, oh.
Like this, not yani. You see my this one? Like
Yeah. Sabi niya marami daw siya. Bibigyan niya nga daw sana ako. Maybe tomorrow, you can give me little.
You can. Oh, you not wear slipper.
No, it's okay.
You see like this.
Yeah, this is nice. The one she's giving us, not nice.
This one.
Binigyan ako ng auntie, guys, oh.
This plant all.
Your chili. It's like Christmas tree.
You see, I don't have time to take also this one.
But why you not put now plants all?
I want to
all
put
chili.
garlic.
Oh, garlic.
But what am I put? Now only have time for me. But I want to put this all soil. This one will make like
Same
that
like our
only.
rooftop now. A little bit empty our rooftop now because I remove also. But you have kagati. May lemon siya, oh. But this one is different.
This one, I don't know which kind of kagati. But have
Tatanim sila, guys, oh. Auntie, they have garden, auntie. Sa bahay na kami ni Johan. Grabe, puti na lang, guys. Dinala ko si Johan. At least may bodyguard ako. Bit-bit ni Johan talaga ito guys. So, yung kalamansi. So, ngayon guys, natatawa ako talaga and masaya ako dahil nga, hindi ako makakita ng kalamansi dito, 'di ba? So, ayan, at least, nakita ko talaga siya guys. Ang dami niyang bunga. Sabi pa niya, after 3 days daw, may darating silang mga maliliit. Ay, sabi ko, hindi ko na yun kaya antayin, ante. Sabi ko, ito na yung may mga bunga na ang bibilhin ko. Kasi pag yung maliit pa ang bibilhin ko, baka magkaapo pa ako, tsaka pa yung lalaki para sa akin. At tsaka binigyan ako ni auntie ng rosemary. Ayan, sabi niya, diligan mo lang kasi hindi na diligan. Tingnan natin. Ayan, guys. Ang bango kaya. Ito pala yung naglalakad kami. Ang bango-bango. And bumili tayo nitong Coco Pit. Yan, sabi ni auntie, lagay mo muna sa tubig. Kasi yung kanina, sobrang laki yun. Sabi niya, hindi mo na yun need. Tsaka yung ko guys, Queen of the Night ko. Kaso lang, ayoko muna ilipat yun. Kasi baka magtampo. Ito yung nilagay ko muna dito. Okay na ito. Binigyan ako ni auntie nito guys, oh. Yan, ilagay ko muna to sa jar na may water. At bukas ko yan, afternoon ililipat. Kasi maghahunting kami bukas ulit ng mga guys, halaman. Ang hinahanap naman ni auntie guys, yung mga pot ba. May pupuntahan daw kami, so titingnan natin bukas. Okay si auntie kasama guys kasi may service kami, no problem. And sabi niya next week or this week pupunta kami ng Bactapur. Magtitingin kami ng mga pot doon. Madami doon guys sa Bactapur kasi puro yun gumagawa sila yung mga clay pot. Lagyan natin ng tubig. Nakita ko yung guys, yung millionaire snake yun. So hindi ko siya binili kasi next na lang, sabi ko. Pero mas mas mura yung millionaire snake nila compare sa tinignan ko na. Kung alala nyo sa vlog, diba 600? Maliit. Hindi ko siya binili doon. Malaki na ang lapad, 400 lang. Tapos dalawa na sila. Sa kanya, ang liit nun. So dito ko lang ilagay. So dito ko lang muna ilagay. No? At bukas natin to guys. Lipat. Ang dami ni auntie nito. Kita mo kahit sila hirap din sila magtanim sa mga rooftop nila guys. Kasi nga, mahirap. Nagdadry. Si Johan nagutom daw. Ito ng rosemary. Ang bango-bango talaga. Sobra. Yan. So, hayaan lang muna natin. At bukas ko ayusin yan guys. So, ayun guys. At, paano ko ba sasabihin sa inyo? Bago ko i-end yung vlog ko, yun pala yung sinabi ko kanina sa inyo. Anak pa yun nung nawala na kapatid nilang babae ni Uncle. Anak niya yun. So medyo may din daw yun. May problema. Ay bukas pupunta ulit ako kay auntie kasi magpa-plant hunting kami. And baka this time parang more on mag-indoor muna ako. Ayusin ko muna dito yung ibang halaman din. And then at least nabuhayan ako ng tanglad. Masaya na ako nabuhay yung tanglad natin. At saka pakunti-kunti. And bukas may pupuntahan kami ni auntie. So abangan nyo na lang yun. So ayun guys, i-end ko na yung vlog ko. And alam nyo ba, nagmadali-dali din kaming umuwi kasi medyo malamig guys. As in malamig na talaga siya guys. Andito na talaga ang winter guys. So kaya be ready na lang kami talaga. Hindi ako ready tumanggap sa kanya kaso lang kailangan ko siyang tanggapin. So ayun guys, i-end ko na yung vlog ko. Isang napakagandang gabi sa inyong lahat. God bless you all and I love you guys. Ingat kayong lahat. Bye!